Stephanie?
Yeah.
You look like you're a bug. You have the weirdest voice.
I do.
Well, like on camera, you're like, oh,
Okay.
Like that.
I don't know. I actually videotaped him once.
No, not at all.
Of course you are, you little liar.
That voice.
Okay, sorry. These glasses are really big.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, I had a dream that this camera dropped and fell and broke yesterday, and I was kind of mad.
Who broke it?
No, I had a dream. I thought it broke.
A dream.
Actually, I think Amber broke it.
That's interesting. It's probably revenge for the Diaries of Amber.
Oh, speaking of which, there's a new episode, and it's pretty funny. No, it's like really funny. Like, she gives me the middle finger, and I had to go, Amber, all the horror.
Oh my god.
Okay, fine, Stephanie, so say goodbye, and you're bright and rays of sunshine.
Okay, bye.